Welcome viewers to my Focus YouTube channel. In this video, I'm focusing on exam preparation, tips and tricks. Examination can be very stressful as it puts a lot of pressure on us to perform well. However, there are several things that we can do to prepare efficiently for our exams. It is essential for us to use time effectively. It is a myth that students should be studying in a day for 12 to 14 hours to get high scores. And it is not possible in every situation. Does this happen to you? I have read about this last night, but I can't remember the answer. What was it? Oh, no. This happens with many of us during examination. And we study hard only a day before and remember nothing in the exam hall. In fact, during this time, it is important to focus on how much we have studied and not on how long we have studied. In this video, I will discuss some exam tips for you all so that it will help you to study smarter and excel in your academics. When we prepare well for our exams, we are free from exam stress. The exam stress may lead to stomachache, headache, sleeplessness, or depression. Here are some tips on what should you not do before an exam. Putting off studying until the last minute. Overreading the night before the exam. Not taking adequate notes during lectures or while teacher teaching. Here are the key steps to exam preparation. Let us see one by one. And the first one is the type of exams, closed or open. This will help you to prepare better. Second one, find out as much as possible. This is about the examination format that will be followed in the exam. Is it an essay, short answer, or multiple choice format? Know how the exam is marked. Is it for 10 marks, 20 marks, 50 marks, 80 marks, or 100 marks? This is very important and it will help us to prepare better. The next one is organize your space for study. Before sitting down to prepare for your exams, make sure everything around you is organized. You should have enough space around you to keep your notes and textbooks. Also make sure that you have a comfortable chair to sit. There is enough lighting in your room and there is nothing around you that might distract you like television or video games. The next one is important. Set study goals. Set yourself a goal to keep track of what you're doing in your studies or in your revision. See that you write down your study goals. The next one is revision. Start the revision at the earliest, at least 3 weeks before the exam. Draw up an exam timetable, revision time, and stick to it. The next one is revision. Here, I am emphasizing on revision again because we need to reorganize and summarize our notes so that we have an outline to each topic. Do not try to read new materials from the books at this stage. Keep in mind, dear students, the exam is to test your understanding far more than your memory. Study timetable. Prepare appropriate study timetable. Refer to my previous video on time management to understand better. A day before the exam, try and take a break from studying. Relax. Try meditation, deep breathing, or yoga, walk, sleep, and also eat well. Check for study materials. Also, check for your transportation or your parking arrangement. In the exam room, come at least 15 minutes early. And when the question papers are distributed, quickly skim through the whole paper before you start, noting the types of questions, what may take the most time, and how you may allocate your time to different sections. Check you have every page including both sides. Read, reread, and write notes briefly. Remember to look at the amount of marks for each question and design your answer accordingly. Number the answers clearly and accurately. Be aware of time. Allocate your time well. Before the exam finishes, re-attempt questions you found too difficult at first. Check your answers. Never leave the exam early. Make sure your name and student number is written on all papers as instructed. The reflections are: find more details about the examination and as early as possible. Do early revision. Manage exam stress. Ask for help and clarification from your lecturers, teachers, and also friends. This quote is from me to all my dear students. You are genius. Believe in yourself and take your challenges. Overcome exam fear and desire to succeed greater than your fear of failure. Happy success. Hope you got some better ideas to prepare well for your exams. Thank you so much for watching My Focus YouTube channel. Share your success or queries in the comment box and like this video, click the bell button to subscribe. All the best. My next video is on revision skills.